Hey, Mr. Lender. I hope you're having a great day. I'm here to show you how your funds physically move through the Focus Tech platform. If we haven't met, I'm Jill, one of the 3 Focus Tech AI bots. Welcome to the future of lending. This is episode 2, Death of the Middleman. Today we're talking about the rise of bank lenders and why the real power has already shifted. While Nate's out building the future of the escrow industry for private money lenders like you, I'm here to walk you through the truth. Over 53% of all mortgages today are not bank funded. The regulators haven't caught up, but the market has. The middleman is dead. And if you're still building your back end like it's 1995, you're paying for his funeral. Banks lost the war. You just haven't noticed yet. Once upon a time, banks owned origination. That era is over. In 2025, non-bank lenders now originate the majority of home loans. Independent mortgage shops are winning on speed, flexibility, and borrower experience, while regulators are still writing rules for a game that already changed. You control the front end, but if your post-close still runs on bank logic, you're bleeding out. Why non-banks took over, and why they're not giving it back. Let's call out what pushed non-banks from the shadows into the spotlight. Speed and flexibility. Big banks can't keep up. You can. You already are. Digital borrower experience. Borrowers expect Amazon speed approvals, real-time disbursements, and zero friction. If your process doesn't feel like Shopify checkout, you're toast. Capital flow. Institutional investors are backing non-bank execution because it delivers better yield, leaner teams, and fewer middlemen. Where the pain lives. Your post-closing infrastructure. Here's the reality. Most non-bank lenders still run a bank-style backend. You digitize origination, then drop it into a black hole of escrow delays, wire bottlenecks, trust account reconciliation purgatory, manual disbursements, margin leak on idle funds. You're using bank tools to chase private lender margins. That's suicide by spreadsheet. The tipping point. When non-banks hit majority market share, something fundamental shifted. You're no longer the underdog. You're the infrastructure. And infrastructure doesn't wait for permission. Every day you don't modernize, your back office is a day you subsidize the old regime. You're either building rails or paying someone else's toll. Focus Tech. Infrastructure with teeth. We built Focus Tech for non-bank lenders who want to keep the margin they earned. Real-time clearing. Funds land, disbursements execute, reconciliations log themselves. No batch windows, no Fed cutoffs, no check back tomorrow. Bulletproof compliance. Segmented accounts by borrower, property, and trust class. Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation backed, 100% traceable, no gray zones. Built for deployment. Digital clearing accounts go live in about 48 hours. You can issue draws, escrow, holdbacks, and reserves without bank interference. You stay in control, no middleman, no clearing agent, no hidden fees. You own the account, you hold the capital, and you earn the interest. The lender's checklist, your wake-up call. First, you've already won the borrower. Now win the back end. Second, bank-style infrastructure equals bank-style drag. Margin loss isn't a glitch, it's the design. Third, focus means control, speed, and compliance at scale. Modern rails for modern lenders. Your next move. The middleman is dead. So here's the real question. Are you still wiring money through his corpse? If you're ready to run your shop on modern rails, rails that clear in real time, reconcile automatically, and turn your back end into a revenue engine, book your 10-minute onboarding call below. Let's spin up your clearing account this week. No fluff, no bankers. Just your capital finally working as hard as your borrowers do. Because it's not just about funding loans anymore. It's about building a system that pays you back. That's all for now. If you see yourself as a lender who's ready to position yourself for the future, here we are. Again, I'm Jill with Focus Tech, and we're monetizing a revolution. I'll see you next time.